What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. It seems as though YouTube is currently suppressing crypto content, so make sure to come back and check every day for daily updates, as notifications aren't currently being sent out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see for the past few days, it does look as though Vechain has been chopping and changing sideways. Bitcoin did recently have a nice little rally up to around 40k, which it seems to be holding fairly well at the minute. Although we are still predicting that potentially Bitcoin could be coming back down and retesting some of the 38k level areas as a support before moving upwards again, which could cause another little sell-off for Vechain in the short term. But for now, it does look as though we're somewhat holding this upwards channel that we do seem to be trading within, as we can see here. The past few days on the RSI as well, it does seem as though we're chopping and changing sideways. We've not really seen much action for Vechain in the past few days. If we just zoom in and take a look, we can see we got this local double bottom here. We had a nice little push to the upside, but since then we've just been chopping and changing it sideways. As we can see here, the volume has been pretty low as well. And I think this is generally the same for most cryptos right now. Everyone's kind of waiting to see what Bitcoin will do, if it will break above that 42k level that we've been talking about a lot. That will be absolutely key in our opinion in terms of the direction that the whole crypto market is going to take in the short term. We do think that if Bitcoin can break that 42k level and test it as support and hold above it, then we do think that we're going to see a lot of pumps for a lot of altcoins as well, because it seems highly likely that everyone's going to start piling back into the market. There seems to be a record number of stablecoins sitting on the sidelines right now on exchanges. I think the market cap of Tether is around 60 billion. The market cap of USDC is around 20 billion. So there's an absolutely massive amount of stablecoins sitting on the sidelines waiting to get back in. They're just waiting to see what happens with the market. But it does seem as though Bitcoin has been quite bullish in the past week or so. We have ran up from around 31k all the way to 40k, where we seem to be holding fairly well currently. So hopefully this can have a knock-on effect to Vechain, because obviously, as we know, Bitcoin is leading the market right now, and Vechain's probably not going to make any moves without Bitcoin unless there's some absolutely cataclysmic huge news for Vechain in one way or another. So currently it looks as though Vechain is just trading slowly upwards inside of this channel. It does look as though the steam is running out to the upside though, so we're probably going to see a move upwards for Bitcoin in order for Vechain to get that next push up that it needs. But as we can see, we've got this A, B, C, D wave where we've basically been making higher lows and higher highs, which is something that we've been outlining a lot here. As we can see, we are making higher lows just about, and now we really need to see that E wave that we've been talking about for weeks now, where basically Vechain gets a really nice push to the upside and makes a higher high. Otherwise we could be in danger of basically making lower highs and then having back testing and potentially rolling over maybe back to this level here. This level here at around 9 cents, or if worse comes to worse, we will probably back test this 8.5 cent level, where this macro blue trend line is currently chilling, as we can see here. Or if things get even worse than that, then we could be looking at potentially these 7 and 6 cent levels, maybe even this 5 cent level if there's a cataclysmic problem for Bitcoin. But in our opinion, we do believe that the worst is over for Bitcoin, and Vechain is probably going to start moving up as a result. If we just take a look at the past 24 hours, just so we can get an idea of what's been going on. As we said before, we've got this double bottom here, which we did get a nice bounce off and rejection of the downside on the bottom of this channel that we've been trading upwards in. We did get we flipped bullish on our EMAs here, which is nice to see. And it does look as though we've been chopping and changing it sideways for basically the past 24 hours or so. It does look as though the RSI is pretty consolidated as well in the middle of the range, so no major swings to be looking out for here. But it does look as though things are cooling off for Vechain and most altcoins right now. They've been steadily bleeding for essentially the past week or so, with Bitcoin kind of chopping it sideways and all the uncertainty in the market. But we do strongly think that in the long term, Vechain's a project that's going to do very well. This is something that we've been stating a lot recently, but we do think it's extremely true. Currently, the price action of quite a lot of altcoins, including Vechain, has been nothing short of underwhelming. And obviously, everyone wants to see Vechain come back to these all-time highs straight away. We're still about 60% down from our all-time high, so it does seem very likely that people are going to be disappointed with the price action of Vechain in the short term. But as we've been saying, in the long term, I mean, what an absolute opportunity to get into a top quality project, in our opinion. This is probably a blue chipper in our estimation in terms of altcoins. In the next 5 to 10 years, it's probably going to do extremely well. As we've been saying, in the short term, we do really want Vechain to be heading up and making this high. But obviously, if things don't go our way and we just trade sideways or backtest or maybe even go down in the short term, in the long term with top quality projects, it's probably not going to matter. And we do believe that Vechain is a top quality project. So we'd just like to reassure everyone that we don't think the bull run is over. Not financial advice, of course, but from every indicator that we've looked at, it doesn't seem as though the bull run is actually over. We're just having an extended cooling off period. So we do expect Vechain to be well over $1 by the end of the bull run, which will be around a 10x from the current price. So what an opportunity to get into a quality project, in our opinion. And then obviously, we have been saying this whole time, we do think Vechain does have the potential to hit $2 or $3 by the end of the bull run. And this is largely because of the parabolic activity you get at the end of the bull run, where you get a huge blow off top. And at the end of the bull run, you do see projects go up 3, 4, 5, maybe even 10x in the last few weeks. So plenty of potential for Vechain, and obviously in a longer time frame beyond that, 5 to 10 years, we do see Vechain being anywhere from 10 to 20 to 50, maybe even $100 per token, depending on the sheer amount of adoption that it gets. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.